So this is a quick video to demonstrate a new feature for Relay. This is a subscription feature. The core features of Relay for Revit are open source and free. If you're not familiar, Relay is a tool from Parallax team that lets you add Dynamo graphs to your ribbon as buttons, and you can just fire them off. The open source version I'll link below in the description, but this will show the subscription feature that we're pretty excited about. So to get started, I'll just start a new blank nothing file. So nothing in this file at all. I just need a file for Revit to be able to fire off add-in commands. So what we can do is, like I said, this is just a blank file. Let's take a look at what we're going to batch automate across several files. So this is just an RPC family, an out-of-the-box one. If I go to Dynamo, I can actually take a look at the graph that I'm going to batch across several files. In this case, I have a graph that simply draws some model curves in the view. It actually places 10 of them just as model lines right inside of your family. So one of the key things to keep in mind with this tool is you need to build the graph in a way that works on a single file. So in this case, I would fire up Dynamo, build the graph to work, and then use it. And then the other thing would be drop downs or anything like that. You would have to hard code some of the stuff that you don't want to change. So another thing to keep in mind. What we'll go ahead and do is we won't save this change because I want the batch tool to do that. And we'll take a look at the Relay ribbon. So as you can see, this is a subscription tool. If you have the free version of Relay and you click on sync graphs, you are able to use all these different commands that come with it or your own Dynamo graphs. And like I said, I'll link all that below. One of the cool ones is this ability to place all your wall types in your current file. It runs a Dynamo graph that places an instance of each wall type for you. Kind of fun. And then it does give you that undo, which is pretty nice. So in order to batch this, we'll go ahead and click on the batch tool. We'll select our Dynamo graph, and we'll also select our folder of families. In this case, I have one called Entourage Batch. There's 8 files in here, and we'll click the little icon. As it starts running, we will see the files opening in Revit, but we will also see them saving on my desktop folder. So you'll see the backup file appearing, and then you'll see the thumbnail of the original or the new original file start to refresh as well. So we are getting this to automate through all these files. So it's looping through them right now, and when it's done, we'll be able to take a look at the changes. Awesome, so when it's done, we'll go ahead and close this form, and then it always leaves the last one open. That's because Autodesk Revit won't let you close this document, so I'll just hit save on this and close it. And we'll go ahead and load in all of these families right into our project. And I'm clicking on the non-backup versions. So with all those files loaded, if I go to CM for component to place a component, I'll place the semi-truck family, I'll place one of the entourage people, I'll place the other entourage person. I have a chair in here, I think, that Volkswagen, and I think I had a delivery van. So all these are families that we did batch run that graph over. Not a super practical scenario where I'm adding model lines, but it just shows you that you can change those files, save them, and then be able to propagate those changes throughout. So there it is. There's a subscription feature available in Relay. It's a kind of version 2 of our batching tools if you've seen our other ones. This is a little nicer because you can just fire it off right from the ribbon. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.